Sunday,
Monday,
happy days. Tuesday,
Wednesday,
happy days. Thursday,
Friday,
happy days. Saturday, what a day. Rock and roll be with you. These days are.
want you be mine.
These days are.
Oh, please be mine. Hello, sunshine, goodbye, rain. She's my scurrying golden chain. She's my steady armor man. I'm gonna love her all I can.
These days are.
Want you be mine.
These days are.
Hi guys, it's Happy Hamster, or Happy Hammy, sorry. I'm very tired and I've got a bit of a cold. This is Puddy's Daily Diet. Sorry that we haven't made a video. Well, I haven't made a video in so long. My last helper and the last person that was on Happy Hammy now owns a different channel. So yeah, and I have a new recruit, but he doesn't live where I live. He lives the opposite way. This Puddy's Daily Diet. Anyway, this is Tesco food. I only put about that much in. Well, a bit more. About 2 handfuls of that. And some Harry Hamster food. Handful of that. Then I get one of these pedigree treats. It's a tiny one. I put it in the middle and I mix it around. And then that's just a toy.